Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to use Jotform workflow. So let's just begin. First, you are going to be heading over to top options of templates. You can start with templates so you can get a head start. You can see we have workflow templates over here. So this can enable you to create workflow similar to HubSpot, and you also have go high level. You have multiple type of workflows inside them, or nowadays it is really pop the N8N. So these are all kind of similar. So you can see we have multiple templates in here to go with. Before we go with the template, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 50% off on Jotform, and that is going to be helping you to unlock amazing features. So do check out the link in the description below. Alright, so let's just use this template, which is equipment purchase request workflow. You can see we have many others as well. So if you want a patient workflow for your, let's just say you are inside your hospital management system or anything like that, you can use these. Let's just say we have a purchase request, right? You're going to be using this template. You have many more. You can see the genres on left side. So once you get in there, you can see we have this kind of workflow. So to use the workflow, you need to simply add different type of nodes in here. You can see we have starting point. This is the purchase approval point, which is going to be using two different scenarios: either allow, approve, or deny. If you deny it, it is going to be sending email to the entered email, then it is going to be ended. Then if you have approval, it is going to be adding the equipment purchase task. Everything is totally adjustable. You can add a title, description, and assigning. So this is something important. And in the advanced settings, you can see we have some expiration and reminders options. So that's how we can use Jotform workflows. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.